We thought the moon was a dead, lifeless rock, but something is hiding beneath its surface. NASA's latest discovery has changed everything we knew: water. But how did it get there? And what does this mean for the future of space travel? For decades, we believed the moon was a dry, lifeless wasteland completely barren, with no hope for sustaining life. But we were wrong. We now know that the moon holds something incredible, something that could change the future of space exploration forever. Water, and not just in deep craters, but in places we never expected. I'm going to tell you how we discovered this, what it means for the future of space. Space is full of mysteries, and I'd love for you to explore them with me. Subscribe, like, and hit the bell icon. Let's uncover the universe together. Then, in 2009, something unexpected happened. NASA launched a mission called Across, a spacecraft designed to deliberately crash into a permanently shadowed crater at the moon's south pole. When the impact occurred, instruments detected something shocking: a huge amount of water vapor in the debris cloud. This meant that frozen water was hiding beneath the lunar surface all along. But that was just the beginning. In 2020, NASA's SOFIA telescope made an even bigger discovery. Water isn't just in the dark craters, it's also in the sunlit areas of the moon. Now, this isn't liquid water like we have on Earth, it's locked inside tiny glass-like beads formed by ancient volcanic activity or hidden between grains of lunar soil. But here's the exciting part: scientists believe we can extract it. So why does this discovery matter? Well, if we can extract water from the moon, we won't have to carry it from Earth. Water can be used for drinking, growing food, and even creating oxygen for astronauts. But the most fascinating part: water can be split into hydrogen and oxygen, the two key ingredients for rocket fuel. This means the moon could become a refueling station for future missions to Mars and beyond. NASA's Artemis program is already planning to send humans back to the moon to explore these water deposits. And in the future, we could see the first permanent moon base, built using the very resources found on the lunar surface. Think about it. The moon, which we once thought was a dead world, could soon become a hub for space travel, a place where humans live, work, and launch missions to other planets. But this is just the beginning. There are still many unanswered questions: how much water is really there? Can we efficiently extract it? And most importantly, could we one day terraform the moon into a place where humans can thrive? What do you think? Will humans ever live on the moon using its water to survive? Now that we know water exists on the moon, the next big question is: how do scientists study it? How can we confirm its presence and determine how much is actually there? Scientists use multiple methods to detect and analyze lunar water. One of the most advanced tools is infrared spectroscopy. This technique allows space telescopes like SOFIA to scan the moon's surface and identify water molecules by analyzing how light interacts with lunar materials. Another method involves neutron spectrometers on spacecraft like NASA's Lunar Reconnaissance Orbiter. These instruments detect hydrogen, a key component of water, beneath the moon's surface. The more hydrogen detected, the more likely it is that water ice is present. But detecting water is just the first step. The real challenge is extracting it. Scientists are working on multiple ways to mine and process lunar water. One method involves heating the moon's soil to release trapped water vapor, which can then be condensed and purified. Another approach is electrolysis. If we can melt the ice and split it into hydrogen and oxygen, we could produce breathable air for astronauts and fuel for spacecraft, turning the moon into a refueling station for deep space missions. NASA's Artemis program and private space companies are already developing robotic systems that could mine lunar ice and turn it into usable resources. This technology will be crucial for establishing a permanent human presence on the moon. The future of lunar exploration will heavily rely on AI and robotics. AI-powered rovers can map the best locations for water extraction, while automated mining systems can operate in extreme lunar conditions without human intervention. In fact, 3D printing technology is being tested to build moon bases using lunar soil, which means future astronauts could live in structures made from the moon itself, reducing the need to transport materials from Earth. We are at the beginning of a new era in space exploration. The discovery of water on the moon could be the key to unlocking humanity's future beyond Earth, but there are still many challenges ahead: radiation exposure, extreme temperatures, and the difficulty of long-term survival in such a harsh environment. So, The big question remains, are we truly ready to become a spacefaring civilization? Could the moon become our first stepping stone to Mars and beyond? Let us know what you think in the comments below. Will humans colonize the moon in our lifetime? And if you want to keep exploring the mysteries of the universe with us, don't forget to subscribe, like, and hit